Okay, so let's go through the tracker example. So we want to find in this table whether the person by name Good has a GPA of 3.5 or above. Okay, so we notice that Good is a male CS major of the class 1978, and uh, you want to find out whether he has a GPA of 3.5 or above. Okay, and this combination, male CS of 1978, is actually a unique combination. There's no other male who has graduated, who's a CS major and who has graduated in 1978. So using this unique combination, we'll be able to find whether he has a GPA of 3.5 or above. Okay, so that's the first thing. So you have to find a unique combination of the attributes. So in this case, it is um, male CS major class 1978. All these three together uniquely identify Good. Alright, so now C1 is the larger subset, which is all the male students, and C2 is CS major in the class 1978. And complement of C2 is anyone who is not a CS major who graduated in 1978. Okay, so that's complement of C2. Now, the tracker is going to be basically C1 and complement of C2. So all male students who is not a CS major who graduated in 1978. Okay, so all CS majors who are not, sorry, all male students who are not CS majors to graduate in 1978. Okay, so once you have that, now impose your filter. So C1 and this filter GPA of 3.5 or above. So C1 is all male students. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 male students. Among those 7 male students, how many have GPA of 3.5 or above? This male student has 3.5 or above. This does not have, this one does have, no, this, no, this. So we have 3 male students who are Cook, Good, and More who have a GPA of 3.5 or above. Okay, so you can see all those 3 records. Now, this tracker T is basically all male students who are not a CS major who graduated in 1978. So all male students. So we have totally 7 male students, and among these 7 male students, people who are not a CS major who graduated in 1978 is essentially going to be everyone except Good, isn't it? Because he is a male student who graduated in CS 1978. So everybody except Good, all the other 6 male students who are Cook. Okay, so let me try to use another marker. So um, so this is let me put it here. This is a male student who is not a CS 1978. This is another male who is not a CS 1978, and this is a male who CS 1978. So this guy doesn't fit here, but this person fits here. And then you have this guy fits there, and of course this male also fits there, right? This Frank. Okay, and the other guy also fits there. So you have 6 male students who are not a CS major to graduate in 1978. So except Good, all these 6 people, all the 6 majors, so all the 6 male students satisfy this tracker condition. Now impose on the tracker this GPA of 3.5 or above. So among these 6 male students who have GPA of 3.5 or above, this guy has Cook, and then this person does not have, this person does not have, this person no, this person no, and more. So only 2 students among these 6 students have a GPA of 3.5 or above. So C1 and GPA of 3.5 above, which is this 3 students, minus this tracker and GPA of 3.5 above, that is 2 students. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So which means we know that student is good, right? So which means that student by name good has GPA of 3.5 above, because that we get this one based on the filter, okay, which is 3.5 above GPA. So let's do one more example. We have to find whether Evans has a GPA of 2.5 or above, and Evans is a male, biology 1979. There is no student who has this unique combination. We have male CS 1979 but not biology, so that's the characteristic we are going to use. So again, C1 is going to be male and C2 is biology major of 1979. So not of C2 is anyone who is not a biology major to graduate in 1979. Okay, so then tracker is a male and not of C2. Okay, so all male students who is not a biology major to graduate in 1979. Okay, so that's the tracker. So now let's impose a filter, male and GPA of 2.5 or above. So this is a male, 2.5 above GPA, male 2.5 no. This is fine, 3, 3.8, 3.2, 3, 3.5. So there are 6 male students who have a GPA of 2.5 or above. These are the 6 male students. Now on the tracker, impose a GPA of 2.5 or above. So what's the tracker? The tracker is all male students who's not a biology major to graduate in 1979, and impose on the top of this GPA of 2.5 or above. So this is the only guy to graduate in 1979, biology major. So all the other 6 students are part of the tracker, and when you impose 2.5 GPA or above, all those 6 students have 2.5 or above GPA. So that's again 6 students. So the difference between this and this is going to be 0. So that indicates what? We know that E1 is in the intersection between the two. So and if it is 0, it means when you impose the filter, E1 does not have a GPA of 2.5 or above. Okay.